Hello to everybody. FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers for the date of 11th July 2018. We are start our analysis of major currencies, and among them we are analyzing euro dollar, dollar yen, sterling dollar and dollar Swiss. This morning we'd like to pay your attention on probably the most interesting, most important news that's driving at the moment the world financial markets. It's of course the new portion of tariffs imposed by the United States against Chinese goods that's importing to the United States. That time the amount is around 200 billion United States dollars in new tariffs against Chinese imports, and they should be implemented in a 2-month period. During this period, the United States administration they'd like to see the reaction of Chinese side, the readiness of Chinese to come with new retaliatory measures, let's say so, and also the reaction of the news agencies, experts, analysts to such kind of new tariffs. And of course, that means that probably in the foreseeable future, in the nearest future, possible future, we could enter a full-blown trade wars. We told about it a lot of times in our during our previous analysis, because the full-blown trade wars will for sure affect negatively the world economy. And from that point of view, we don't think that the dollar will be a beneficiary of such kind of situation, of such kind of process. And as regarding today, anyway, financial markets is really very, very relaxed about such kind of news and about the possibly full-blown trade wars in the future. Probably the most interesting pair is dollar yen, which is really very stable at the moment. Yesterday we tested the highs of 111.35. After that, the reaction to new tariffs was a fall of dollar yen to 110.76 and a half. Anyway, now dollar yen is trading around 111.06, and we suggest that the market underestimated the situation with trading relations between the United States and China, and sooner or later we suggest that the risk aversion situation will really increase in the financial markets, and that will mean that dollar yen should go lower from here. In the short-term period, break below 110.15, 110.20, where lies current kind of uptrend, should take the pair much lower from currently trading levels. At the same time, we also pay attention on the longer term downtrend that's located around 111.55.60 at the moment, and while trading below that level, the dollar yen should remain negatively tuned in the longer term, of course from a longer term point of view. Break and successful closing above this level should of course dampen the bearish potential of this pair in the foreseeable future, and should reverse the pair to the upside again, of course from a longer term point of view. As regarding the euro dollar, as we told already, shortly speaking, and speaking from a short-term point of view, the euro dollar still remains more or less positively tuned. We suggest that while trading above moving average 100 daily line that's located at the moment around 116.90, the pair should remain supported in the near term. Also, we'd like to pay attention that a full-blown trade wars could take especially the euro-dollar higher, also with for example with the Swiss franc, which at the moment trading around 99.15, reversed from the highs registered yesterday around 99.62. That's also because of the current trade policy conducting by the United States against its major trading partners. Another victim of such kind of news is Australian dollar, which is trading around 74.09 at the moment, lower from the highs of previous trading day registered around 74.83. Also, we should understand how close ties between the China and Australian economies, and of course in case of a real deepening of trade relations between China and the United States, that of course should also dampen the future prospects of Australian economy as well. The same also applies, by the way, for the New Zealand dollar. As regarding the dollar Canada, the dollar Canada probably today is a really very important day. Today is a day of Bank of Canada interest rate decision. That's why we decided in our block of commodity currencies that we will analyze in our next report. We will decide to stand aside from any kind of position in the dollar Canada. And also today, in our block of analysis of commodity currencies, we will analyze the situation with Russian ruble, because you could be really surprised by the strength of the Russian ruble. To answer this question, follow the suit and come on to see our next analysis dedicated to commodity currencies. Thank you very much. It was FutureTrend channel with you. Bye bye for now.